All right, good morning and welcome to the Bobcat booth at World of Concrete. My name is Tyler Zima. I'm a product specialist for the loader group, and we're going to walk around our S76, which are our new loaders. These are actually the replacements for the S&T 650 if you are familiar with Bobcat equipment. So we'll walk over to the machine and start from the front. So looking at the front of the machine, there are some things that you're going to notice that are different. One of the ones that'll stand out is we have now went to our LED lights versus our halogen on our M series product. So LED, we have a few different options. We have a base light option. Premium lights on here, and what's different with the premium lights is they have a 30-degree wraparound, so you got a lot more visibility and light to the outside of the machine when you're operating in the evening or at dusk, so you get better lighting and visibility. You move down, you get to our lift arm here, or to our cylinder. Our door opening now gives us about 3 to 4 inches of clearance, so if you have an attachment that you need to leave off the ground, you have better exit and entry getting out of the machine. Another thing that you're going to notice that has changed is we now went to castings. You're going to see a lot more cast on the R series machines, and lift arms, Bobcat, H-link in the back. But what I want to talk about on the lift arm and why we went to castings is we can make these stronger now. We can put the steel where we want it versus adding plate and more weld. So really, again, putting the steel where we need it. Also, we got rid of a plate here, giving more visibility to the corners of any attachment that you might be operating. Also, when you move down to the Bobcat, if you want to get in here, actually, you can see we've opened up with the attachment. We've opened up the area to shed more material. And again, going from steel to now steel castings, adding a lot more material to the ears of the Bobcat and giving that more durability. It's more robust and really going to last about 50% more life than what we've had on our previous Bobcat. So moving back, the cab, we now went to a one-piece cab. And what the one-piece cab means is our foot pod is going to roll up with the cab when you do lift it. What that gives us is better sealed and pressurization with the cab. It also is going to give us less noise and vibration. Something that you're not going to see really unless you get in the cab is we have a couple different display options. We have a 5-inch display. We also have a 7-inch touch display now. So it's all hands-free. We have Bluetooth connectivity, radio in there as well, and also you can have hands-free talking on your cell phone, and that works very well when the machine is actually running. The customer doesn't have to stop to take a phone call or the operator. We also have optional side lighting. These was on M series as well, but now those are stamped right into the cab for easy installation. 800 lumens out to the side. A lot of guys in snow removal like that, as well as guys working on road construction sites, or again, more lighting and working at dusk or in the evening. So if we walk around to the rear of the machine, we've kind of went away from what Bobcat has done for a number of years in having the transverse mounted engine. We've actually moved now to an inline engine, which gives us better cooling capacity. We're able to pull the air in through the back of the machine, wash it over the engine, and it gives us better cooling capacity. Another thing that gives us better cooling capacity is we went to a larger radiator and cooler to help with cooling capacities, and we've also went to a larger fan. And when I say a larger fan, we've increased the fan by about 50%. So with increasing that fan, we get to spin it at less RPMs, so again, less noise and vibration, and even with the fan size, it's giving us more cooling capacity than our previous fan. We've also went to a Bosch fuel injection system, so improving the fuel system. We also went to a more standard fuel pickup system. So we actually have a cup now that is able to pull the fuel in. The warm fuel goes back in there, so we're always running the warm fuel that doesn't get burnt through, that's running through the system. And then we've improved our filtration system. We have a 2 filtration system now. We've got the bulb on the bottom, a larger fuel filter, and just the connectivity of this is now a true spin-off filter, which makes it much easier to replace that one needed. So that's all I have for the S76. We're actually going to break for a second, walk over to the T76 and talk about a couple options on that.